welcome back to our channel. So as you all know that in this video we are going to learn how you can automatically create a Google contact for the new Instagram lead received. So here on my screen you can see my Instagram account, and here I'm running some Instagram lead ad to generate new leads for my business. And here I've already connected my Instagram account with my Facebook page named as Digital Dynamics. So now here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Instagram lead ad with my Google contacts using an automation software. And now firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing automation by simply generating a new test lead inside our Instagram lead ad. So now here to generate the test lead we are going to use Lead Ads Testing Tool by Meta. So this is Lead Ads Testing Tool by Meta, and here I've already selected my page, product and the form. So this is my lead form, and here I've already pre-filled some details such as first name, last name, email and the phone number. So now you have to enter all the required details. We're going to click on this continue and then submit. And here you can see we have successfully generated a test lead inside our Instagram lead ad. So now after generating the test lead, let's go and check our Google contacts. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name dummy user. You can see the email address and the phone number. So with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by simply connecting these applications using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. There you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So here before moving forward with the connection, let me tell you about Pabbly Community. So Pabbly Community is a space where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly Community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly Community as soon as possible. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to build a new connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that I'm going to click on this create workflow button, and then it is asking us to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says auto create Google contacts from Instagram leads. Then here for the folder I'm going to click on this drop down menu, and here you can see the multiple folders that I've created with different names. So in this case I'm going to select my folder as contacts. You can select it accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to create a new workflow I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So as you all know that we are receiving new leads through Instagram lead ads. So I'm going to select my trigger as Instagram lead ads and map event as new lead instant. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Instagram lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection I'm going to click on this connect with Instagram lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired Facebook account, and then I'm going to click on this continue, as I've already connected my Instagram account with my Facebook page. Alright, so here you can see we are now successfully successfully connected. So it easily got connected because I was already logged into my accounts. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged into your accounts in the same browser. Or else if you're building a new connection, then it is going to ask for the account credentials first. Alright, let's move forward. Then it's asking for the page and the lead gen form. So I've already shown you that I have my page with the name Digital Dynamics. So I'm going to select my page as Digital Dynamics. And for the lead gen form, let me take you to Meta Business Suite. So here in my Meta Business Suite, we are going to click on this All Tools option. And under this, we are going to select Instant Forms. Now, here under this lead ads form, you can see the multiple forms that I've created with different names. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my form as new lead ads form. You can select it accordingly. Also, you can create your own lead ad form as per your requirement. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's workflow. And here I'm going to select my lead gen form as new lead ads form. So I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now here after selecting the page and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send as request. But here before clicking on the save and send as request, I'm going to turn on the simple response button in order to receive this response in a simple format. That means in an organized format. But if you want to receive the response in an advanced format, that means in an array format, then you can simply turn it off. Alright, so now here after selecting the page and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send as request. And here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead inside our Instagram lead ad. So again, here to generate the test lead, let me take you back to lead ads testing tool by Meta. So here in lead ads testing tool by Meta, I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one. Because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So now here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead button, and it says your lead has been deleted. So now I'm going to refresh the window, and that's a necessary step. Now again here I'm going to select my page, that is Digital Dynamics. Then we're going to select the product as lead retrieval and the form as new lead ads form. Then we're going to click on this preview form. Now here in this lead form, we are going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. So here for the first name, we are going to enter the name as test, last name as user, email as testuser@pabblytudes.com. Then here for the phone number, we are going to add a random phone number. Alright, then we are going to click on this continue and then submit. And you can see we have successfully generated a test lead inside our Instagram lead ad. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received an instant response where we have received the first name, last name, email, phone number and some other details of our lead. So with this, we have successfully set up a trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead, then automatically I want to create a new contact for the same in my Google Contacts. So for that, I'm going to add an action step over here. Here I'm going to select my action application as Google Contacts and my app event as create contact. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Google Contacts account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. Then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking us to add the first name and some other details. So now instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that when I'm going to receive a new lead through our Instagram lead ad, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So for the first name, I'm going to map the first name of my lead. Here this middle name is not required field, so we're going to leave it blank. Here we're going to map the last name. Again, these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave it blank. For the gender, we are going to select unspecified. For the email of the work, we're going to map our lead's email address. Then again, these fields are not required ones, so we're going to leave all of them blank. For the phone number, we are going to map our lead's phone number. Same number we are going to map for the mobile number field as well, because we have received a single number from our lead. Then we are going to scroll it little down. And then here for the event type, we are going to turn on the map button and then we are going to leave it blank. Same goes with the relationship type as well. We are going to leave it blank. And now after entering all the required details, we are going to click on the save and send as request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new contact in our Google Contacts. So now let's go and check our Google Contacts. Here I'm going to refresh it. And you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name test user. Here you can see the email address and the phone number. So with this we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as Instagram lead ads and action as Google contacts. So that when you're going to receive a new lead through a lead ad, then instantly a new contact for the same will be created in our Google contacts. Alright, so these were the steps to how to create Google contacts from Instagram leads. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would be really happy if you let us know what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.